Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm making is I'm making something I have never made before, and this is so easy. If you have never cooked in your life, you can make this. Trust me, you can make this, and you're not going to screw it up. All what you need is a slow cooker. What I'm making today is I'm making McCormick slow cooker chili my way. I'm going to have this in two parts. First part, I'm going to show you how I put this together, my way. And the second part be the plating up, and I'll show you how it come out. So like I say, if you have never ever cooked in your life, you can make this. Trust me, you can make this because you can't screw it up. And the ingredients, what McCormick calls for, is 2 pounds of lean ground beef. I use 80-20. Whenever I make chili, I always use 80-20. I think it has better flavor, and I brown it up. 2 cans of diced tomatoes, whatever kind you want. Throw it in there with the juice and all. 2 cans of kidney beans, drained and rinsed. I always like to drain my beans, whatever kind I'm using. And today what I'm going to be using is pinto beans. I'm not using kidney. And I'm not going to put them in right away. I'm going to put them in 30 minutes before the chili is ready, because I don't like mush. I don't like it. They get cooking, it's going to become mush, and I don't like that. And 1 15.5 ounce can of tomato sauce. And you got that? Slow cooker? Hey, you got it made. You're going to make it. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how all this comes together and how easy it really is. And trust me, you can do this. Okay, what I've got here is I've got my slow cooker, and I've already browned up my ground beef. So I'm just going to add it to the slow cooker. Just went ahead and browned it up, so it's all good. I'm going to put it in there and add it to the slow cooker. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my diced tomatoes. I just got some regular diced tomatoes, but this got roasted garlic and onion. And I'm going to be putting 2 of these in. 2 cans. These are 14.5 ounce cans. And they're going to go in here. Got 2 cans of tomato sauce, which I'm also going to put in. What I did is I diced up some onion, white onion. I'm going to put that in there. And what I did is I saved a little bit of this white onion for later, so I can put it on top of the chili. And I'll show you how all that comes together. And of course, we're going to have our seasoning mix. What I'm going to go ahead and put in here. That's our seasoning mix, the McCormick. Just going to give this a stir. Just stir it up and make sure that it's all mixed up real good. Man, it smells good already. I haven't even started the cooker yet, or started the cooking process yet. Man, whew, this smells good. Well, that should be pretty good. Well, let me give it a little bit more. I see a little bit something going on here. make sure that's all mixed up real good. That's the main deal. Now what I'm going to do is just put the cover on it, crank this baby up to high, and let it go 4 hours. It's going to slow cook. Let me get this camera right. Come on. 4 hours on high, because I got a late start, so I'm going to do it on high, or 8 hours on low. So you can slap this together if you have an 8 to 5 job. You can slap this together and put it on in the morning. Come home, you have dinner. And like I say, what I'm going to be using for my beans is I got pinto beans. These are just canned pinto beans, what I rinsed off. And I'm going to be adding these the last 30 minutes to before it's ready. So it's going to 3.5 hours. I'm going to add the pinto beans. 4 hours. It's going to be ready. I have the second video and I'll show you how to come out. Because I just don't like beans to come apart and be mushy, and it just, to me, it ruins it. If you like mushy, throw them in there. Kidney beans are a little bit different. They're a little bit more firm, so probably get away with the kidney beans being in there. But the pinto beans are different. Black beans are also firm, but I'm not going to go into a bean deal. So, like I say, this is so easy. If you have a slow cooker and the ingredients, you make some excellent chili. And I'll tell you what, this makes excellent Frito pie when you do it in a slow cooker. And that's more than likely the way I'm going to eat it. I'm going to make a Frito pie out of it, because that's the way we do it down here in Tornado Alley, Texas. So I have the second video coming up. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Easy dinner to make, and y'all take care.